So this skirting board doesn't sit flush with the wall. It actually just had, got it right here, whole bunch of garbage sitting in there. It in here to sort of block it and make it look like it was meant to be. So I'm gonna try and grind away the bottom on the inside here and see if I can get it sitting flush with the wall. Okay, that's really hard to see what's going on. I took a chunk out. I don't want to wreck the floorboard. I need to take more out. I wonder if I can just grab a chisel. Just try to snap that corner off. Have another crack. Let's push it back and see what happens. Not bad. Once you get a nail in the top, this board's never gonna, it's already pushed back anyway. So it's never gonna go straight on, but I think that's just about gonna work, to be honest. By the time I whack a nail in here, get it bending back like that, I think we'll fill the gap and she'll look sweet as. Cheers. So I know I'm nailing this, but because it's such old wood and it's hard and we're dealing with the very end of it, I'm gonna drill a hole first in the hope that I don't split the wood. Let's put in now. How am I going? Yep. Sweet as, bro. I want to chuck a couple in. One in there. Just turn it on there. That drill bit is slightly smaller than my nails. And my hammer's over the other side of the room. Then, because of where the camera is, I'll probably look like a Gumby trying to nail this in, but see how we go. Cheers. Maybe I should have bought shorter nails. Let's try that again. Oh, we'll go this one. That is not going through, buddy. Like, I know there's an art form to nailing, but stuff. I need a big hole. Would have been better had I got a bigger drill bit, but I'm a maverick. I don't play by the rules. Look. No. Nah, too long, too skinny, I reckon. Or I just suck at nailing. And I broke the drill bit. I knew I'd do that, eh? Actually, I didn't know I'd do that. This is one of those stupid things where there's a reason you use the right tools and the right size drill bits, because then you're not wiggling them around until a point where they snap off. Last try. Go up. Not giving up yet. We're gonna have to jump on YouTube and have a look at how you nail. Hit a nail with a hammer. Glasses are falling off. Can't see. Oh, so close. No. Come on. You can do it. Come on, just bend up a bit. You look like a hack. One too many. No gap there. I wonder how that'll go. We're close. can't see that because the glasses aren't sitting right. It's hard to hit from this angle because of the door jam. Can I do it, mate? Let me go see if we got something. This is why I can't see. That's the lens from one side of my glasses. Yeah. Bigger nail, bigger drill. What do you call it? Bigger drill bit. Oh gosh, we've closed that gap. I can seal that up. Stop going. You're just breaking stuff now. No, all be sweet, mate. It's all just chip and paint. Chip and paint, a little bit of split, but that's cool. I can sort that out. I'm happy with that gap now though.